Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to add someone to a Google Calendar. Here's how to add someone to a Google Calendar event on a Windows PC. Go to the official Google Calendar website, sign in with your Google account if you're not already logged in. Now, let us start create or edit an event. To create a new event, click on the time slot or date on the calendar and choose Create. On the Event Details page, find the Guest section on the right side. Enter the email address of the person you want to invite. After adding the guest, you can set permissions to allow them to modify the event, invite others, see the guest list. You can do this on the Guest Permissions option. Adjust these permissions based on what access you want your guests to have. Click Save to finalize the event. When prompted, click Send to email invitations to your guest. Now, the person you added will receive an email invite and can add the event to their calendar. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.